Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel Food Tech Buddy by Majid Dhoka. Proteins. Proteins are the most abundant biomolecules of the living system. Chief sources of proteins are milk, cheese, pulses, peanuts, fish, meat, etc. They occur in every part of the body and form the fundamental basis of structure and functions of life. They are also required for the growth and maintenance of body. The word protein is derived from Greek word proteos, which means primary or of prime importance. All proteins are polymers of alpha amino acids. Amino acids. Amino acids contain amino NH2 and carboxyl COOH functional groups. Depending upon the relative position of amino group with respect to carboxyl group, the amino acids can be classified as alpha, beta, gamma, delta and so on. Only alpha amino acids are obtained on hydrolysis of proteins. They may contain other functional groups also. All alpha amino acids have trivial names which usually reflect the property of that compound or its source. Glycine is so named since it has sweet taste. In Greek, glykos means sweet and tyrosine was first obtained from cheese. In Greek, tyros means cheese. Amino acids are generally represented by a 3-letter symbol. Sometimes 1-letter symbol is also used. Structure of some commonly occurring amino acids along with their 3-letter and 1-letter symbols are given in table 14.2. Natural amino acids. All the amino acids with characteristic feature of side chain, 3-letter symbol and 1-letter code are mentioned. Essential amino acid and it defines entire structure. Classification of amino acids. Amino acids are classified as acidic, basic or neutral depending upon the relative number of amino and carboxyl groups in their molecule. Equal number of amino and carboxyl makes it neutral. More number of amino than carboxyl groups make it basic, and more carboxyl groups as compared to amino groups makes it acidic. The amino acids which can be synthesized in the body are known as non-essential amino acids. On the other hand, those which cannot be synthesized in the body and must be obtained through diet are known as essential amino acids, marked with asterisk. Amino acids are usually colorless crystalline solids. These are water-soluble, high-melting solids and behave like salts rather than simple amines or carboxylic acids. This behavior is due to presence of both acidic carboxyl group and basic amino groups in the same molecule. In aqueous solution, the carboxyl group can lose a proton and amino group can accept a proton, giving rise to a dipolar ion known as Zwitter ion. This is neutral but contains both positive and negative charges. In Zwitter ionic form, amino acids show amphoteric behavior as they react both with acids and bases. Except glycine, all other naturally occurring alpha amino acids are optically active. Since the alpha carbon atom is asymmetric, these exist both in D and L forms. Most naturally occurring amino acids have L configuration. L amino acids are represented by writing the NH2 group on the left hand side. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.